Hi guys, so I'm on my way for my keys.
There's not much to do when all I can.
Hi guys, so I'm on my way for my keys. Excuse my hair. So I'm leaving the house now. I'm going for my keys. So see you when I get there.
I got my keys. So this is an empty room tour. This is the living area, and then we entered the bedroom, then my washroom. This is how the person was staying there painted the place. So now we are going to paint it again. I'm thinking of a white and a green in the whole house. So I'll do the bedroom a white and the hall a green. This is the corridor, which will be transformed into a storage, a kitchen, and a filming area soon. So my painter started to paint. Yes, this is the hall transformed into a green. Then I proceeded to sweep the place. Man, it wasn't easy. There was a lot of dust, so I have to sprinkle some water on it. For if you are a Ghanaian, you know these things. This is what we do before we sweep a dusty area. We sprinkle some water, then we sweep. After that, I tackled the hall. I swept the whole place, doing the same thing, sprinkling some water before I swept. After sweeping, I went ahead to clean the room. This is how you wash off the paint when it sticks on the floor. Hi lovely, so this is much later on. I proceeded to sweep my corridor. So I moved everything from the corridor. The corridor was quite dirty because the ceiling was redone, so I had to sweep the place and pick up the dust and everything. After I cleaned my shelves, I relocated my shelves from the door to the other side of the room. So after the cleaning of the shelves, I proceeded to scrub off the paint from the floor, and it was quite easy when you do it with the aluminum sponge. Then I started to arrange my stuff on the shelf, so I put all the heavy stuffs on top. Then after that, I arranged the less heavy stuff beneath it. So I made a table for myself. I saw this on Pinterest and showed it to a carpenter to design it for me. I wanted to put this aluminum foil sticker on top of it so that I wouldn't stain it. So I measure. After measuring, I peeled it off. After peeling the paper, I wanted to stick it on the table, but it wasn't sticking. This aluminum foil wasn't sticking. When I say it wasn't sticking, it wasn't sticking, but I tried my best to stick it onto the table. I undermeasured, so it wasn't able to cover the whole table, but I finished and added up to cover the whole table. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.